Hello guys, my name is Ajinkya Sunil Yuglikar. I'm student of TY Electrical in Guru Gobind Singh Polytechnic. My subject and topic is Management Safety Operations. Teacher and guide by Professor P.S. Khadi. Ways to improve safety in manufacturing work environment. First, inform supervisor of unsafe condition. If you see something that could be potentially hurt someone, remove the object or clean the area you can do so safely. Otherwise, inform your supervisor, since your supervisor is legally obligated to keep you and your fellow employees working environment safe. They must take actions properly. When using equipment, make sure that you are using each piece of equipment for its intended purpose and are using it correctly. Furthermore, regularly clean and inspect equipment to ensure that it is safe. This is third. Wear safety equipment PPE kits shown in above image, making sure you wear the proper safety equipment and checking that your safety equipment is undamaged significantly lower your likelihood of getting injured. Prevent slips and trips. In the showing image, check your workplace to make sure there are no holes, no loose boards or nails projecting from the floors. If any these characteristics exist, replace the damaged floorings in area that cannot easily be cleaned. Consider installing anti-slip floorings. 5. Keep work areas and emergency exits clear. As shown as figure, you can see the exits emergency exits in the work areas. If any exit is obstructed, you may not be able to quickly escape if an emergency occurs. Placing equipment in proper storage area after use will help keep the work area and emergency exit clear. Eliminate fire hazards. If you are using combustible material in the work environment, only keep the amount you need for the task at hand. When you are not using the flammable material, store the chemical in an assigned safe storage area away from the source of ignition. Also, store combustible waste in the metal respectable and dispose to the daily. Prevent object from falling. To keep object from falling, use protections such as nets, toy boards, and toe rails. In addition, stack boxes straight up and down, and place heavy objects on lower shelves. Furthermore, keep stack objects out of the way of aisles and work areas. Use correct posture when lifting. To avoid injuries, keep your back straight, use your legs to lift and pick up the item without stopping or twisting. Whenever possible, use mechanical aids such as a conveyor belt, wheelbarrow or forklift. Time. By taking regular breaks, you are able to stay more alert and when working. Thank you. This is safety operation you need to follow in industrial areas.